Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Learn English through stories. Tenali Rama and the Gang of Thieves. Tenali Rama was a wise and witty poet in the court of King Krishnadev Rai of the Vijayanagara Empire. His intelligence and humor often helped him solve difficult situations. One such incident involved a gang of thieves who were troubling the people of Vijayanagara. The trouble begins. A notorious gang of thieves had been stealing from the homes of wealthy people in the city. They were clever and managed to escape every time. The people were terrified and complaints reached the king. King Krishnadev Rai ordered his guards to catch the thieves, but they could not find them. Hearing about the increasing thefts, Tenali Rama decided to teach the thieves a lesson. He knew that if he informed the king, the thieves might escape again. So, he made a plan. Tenali Rama's clever plan. One night, Tenali Rama sat outside his house and spoke loudly to his wife, making sure the thieves hiding nearby could hear him. I have heard about the thieves roaming around in the city. We must keep our valuables safe. So, I will put all our gold and jewels in a large pot and drop it into the well in our backyard. No thief will ever think of searching in the well, he said. His wife, who trusted Tenali's wisdom, played along and replied, "That is a brilliant idea. No one will ever suspect that our treasure is hidden in the well." Hearing this, the thieves were delighted. They decided to wait until midnight to take out the treasure from the well. The thieves' mistake. As soon as Tenali and his wife went inside and pretended to sleep, the thieves jumped over the wall into his backyard. They eagerly pulled out the bucket from the well and poured the water out, hoping to find gold. They did this again and again, but they found nothing. Unbeknownst to them, Tenali Rama had filled the well with only water and no treasure. He had also alerted the city guards earlier, and they were waiting in hiding. When the thieves had almost emptied the well, exhausted from their hard work, the guards jumped out and caught them red-handed. The king's revolt. The next morning, the guards presented the thieves before King Krishnadev Rai. The thieves confessed their crimes and revealed how Tenali Rama had outwitted them. The king was greatly impressed by Tenali Rama's intelligence. "Well done, Tenali. Your wit has once again saved the people of Vijayanagara," the king praised him. As a reward, the king gave Tenali Rama a bag of gold coins. The thieves were punished, and the people of the kingdom felt safe once again. Moral of the story. Clever thinking and intelligence can solve even the trickiest problems. Tenali Rama used his wit to trap the thieves without using force, proving that wisdom is mightier than strength. Subscribe to the channel for more stories.